Hi and welcome to Zoho Analytics video demo. Visualizations have transformed how people interact with data. While a generic chart simply presents data, a customized chart brings it to life by telling a story. In this video, we'll see how to customize your visuals for maximum clarity and impact. Let's dive in. Access the chart designer and add the necessary dimension and metric columns to the shelves with appropriate sub-functions, and click Generate Graph. The first step to effective customization is choosing the right chart type. Zia Suggestions provides you with different chart types suitable for the fields or columns added to the chart designer. Click on the preferred chart to get a preview and then click Apply. Cramming the visualization with too many data points makes it hard to understand the data. Filters help simplify this by narrowing down the data. Drag and drop the columns to the filter shelf and choose the appropriate filter criteria, allowing you to focus on specific segments or trends. User filters enable viewers to dynamically interact with a visualization by selecting specific criteria to refine the displayed data. These filters allow users to focus on subsets of data. Sorting allows you to organize the data based on a specific logic. Choose the sorting criteria to be applied. For more customization options, click the settings icon on the top right. Customization options listed are specific to the chosen chart type. Give a descriptive title and description that help users understand what the chart is about. Define how the missing values should be represented to avoid misinterpretation. Choose the chart effect to be applied. Overview effect is useful while visualizing large time series data. Enabling the overview effect provides a zoom-able time series chart where the overview panel shows the entire timeline, while the main view focuses on a specific time range. Enabling the Auto Hide Overview option hides the overview panel and displays it only on hover. The Show Latest End Data Points displays only the specified number of data points while applying the overview effect. This option is available only when a date dimension is used in the report x-axis. The scroll bar offers smooth horizontal movement through the data, helping users focus on different sections without needing to compress the entire dataset into one view. Adjust the slider to choose the category thickness or specify a value. Enable the brush effect to select, highlight, and explore specific data points or ranges within the chart. Customize the label and font style of the axis. Choose the direction of the tick marks according to the length of the values. Choose the scale type to be used for the chart. Customize the range and interval of the y-axis. Enabling the Show Corresponding Y-axis value will display the data values on the chart. Customize the borders and colors to be applied to the chart. Formatting columns enhances clarity, readability, and consistency. Format options are specific to the data type of the column. Click the Format option of the Sales column to customize the units and decimal place settings. Legends help identify different data series or categories by displaying labels associated with colors, patterns, or markers used in the chart. Position the legend where it's easy to spot without overshadowing the data. Choose whether a title should be listed for the legend and select the preferred font. Unselecting the Legend Filters checkbox prevents users from using the legend to filter or hide specific data in the chart. Choose the preferred palette type and the colors to be applied to the legend. Customize the labels and colors of the legend. Drill down helps explore data at different levels of granularity. Define the drill down path or the hierarchy for users to navigate through different data dimensions and then click Apply. The drill through action enables users to navigate and view the reports related to the current data point. This action helps link all the related reports specific to metric or dimension. Drill through lets you open another view from this chart, passing the selected data point or points as a filter. Once you have customized the chart, click the Applied Settings icon to view the configured options. Save the chart and click View Mode to interact with the report. The report shows the sales trend over months of purchase. split by category. Apply the user filter to view the sales for a specific category. Click any month data point to view sales at a more granular level. Bring your data to life with the customization options. Thank you for watching this demo. For further inquiries, shoot us an email at support@zohoanalytics.com or call us on one of our toll-free numbers.